Have you realized there's one thing na hindi tinuturo sa school? Financial education. Napakahalaga ng financial education but surprisingly, matututunan mo yun by your own or by your own research. Hindi rin tuturo sa'yo mag-start ng business or maybe may courses na magtuturo sa'yo ng very little and then that's it. And that's not where it's going to focus. Mostly, it will teach you, the school will teach you how to become an employee. Hindi ituturo sa'yo sa school how to invest in stocks, in bonds, in mutual funds, in real estate properties, and everything else na napakadaming potential para kumita ka. And very important ng financial education, yes, money is not the most important thing in the world, but it affects everything there is. It's not to praise money, but it is very important for you to keep going, for your family to keep going, and for your health to keep going. And especially, yung sinasabi, money is the root of all evil, or love of money is the root of all evil. In either way, it depends on the person. One of the dreams of common people around the world, or maybe most people generally, is to have an early time freedom, financial freedom to spend most times for their family and not spending 8 hours, 12, 11 hours at work and then spending 4 hours maybe with your family and then sleep and then repeat day to day until 60 or until your retirement, whatever age you will retire. So we don't want that. Alright, so that's a little realization for everyone. Peace.